I spent a week deleting myself from the internet. Every data broker, every people search site, every place quietly saving my address, and then 30 days later, I checked again. And what I found is an entire reason why I'm making this video. Welcome to episode 7 of RepSec Wednesday, and I'm Daniel Rodriguez, a cybersecurity consultant from Visionary IT Security, and this is where we break down attacks and threats regarding reputational security for executives, brands, influencers, and anyone who just wants to stay safe online. And here's why I went down this road, and it isn't just paranoia. Last year, according to FTC, Americans reported losing more than $12.5 billion to fraud, and that's up 25% in a single year. And the raw material for a huge slice of that is exactly what these companies sell about you: your address, your phone, and your family's names. California's official registry alone lists over 500 of these companies. So I wanted one answer. Can a normal person actually get out of this? And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how, step by step. And you'll see the trap that almost everyone, including me, walks straight into. So it started simple. I searched my own name, and there I was. My current address, a map to my front door, my age, my relatives. Once I even had a phone number I stopped using 10 years ago. I never gave them any of this, but they bought it or scraped it and posted it for anyone with $2 to access. So I started pulling it down, and right away, I hit my first surprise. And that's because as of January, there's already supposed to be an easy button. California built a system called Drop, and it's one request to tell every single registered data broker to delete it. Sounds perfect, but there's a catch that not too many people are talking about. First things first, it's California residents only. And number two, the data brokers don't legally have to act on it until August. And out of nearly 40 million people in the state, the last count I saw was about 200,000 signed up, which is well under 1%. The escape hatch exists, and almost nobody's using it yet. So I went site by site, and I'll show you the exact process in a second because it's the same on almost every single one of them. It took hours. One site made me upload an ID, another made me actually call, and it worked, mostly. The big ones came off within a few days, and honestly, I felt pretty good about it, which brings me back to day 30. So I checked again, and all of it was back. Not because I did anything wrong, but it's because data brokers just re-scrape public records and rebuild the profile from scratch. And it's not only me. When Consumer Reports studied this for 4 months, they checked it out 1 week, 1 month, and 4 months, and in every single case, some of the data was still there. That's the trap. People treat this like a delete button, and it's not. Your exposure isn't a file that you can erase. It's a faucet that keeps on running from public records. And you don't solve it once, you have to manage it. And that single shift is the whole game when it comes to data brokers. So here's exactly how you do it in 3 steps. Number 1, if you're in California, use that easy button. Go to privacy.ca.gov and file a drop request. And it's only one form. It reaches every single registered data broker and only takes 5 minutes, completely free. And this is one of the highest leverage options there are. Number 2 is for everybody else outside of California. And the good news is it's nearly identical at every single site except for those few caveats. So first things first, you're going to search your name on the site and find the listing that's actually you. Then you copy the web address of that exact profile page. Then you go to that site's opt-out page, and it's usually the site name /opt-out, or there's an opt-out or privacy link down in the footer. Then you paste your profile's address that you copied previously, enter your email, and clear that CAPTCHA. Then, in the step people miss, open the confirmation email and click the link. Because if you don't click that link that they send you, nothing happens. And most removals clear in 1 to 3 days. Start with the big ones, like Spokio, White Pages, been verified because they feed a lot of the smaller ones. And I put the exact opt-out links for the top sites in a free checklist, grab it in the description of this video, and work down the list. Number 3, set a reminder for 90 days from now because you already know it's going to refill. And it's not listed here, but number 4, pay for a data broker removal service just to keep it easy for you. And it usually costs about $20. So no, you can't delete yourself from the internet, but you can make yourself the hardest target on the block and keep it that way in about an hour every few months. And that's a realistic win and a real one.
And I put the whole thing, the priority sites, the exact opt-out links, the 90-day schedule into one checklist, link in the description. As always, scan that QR code to take a free self-assessment to see how secure you are. Stay safe, and I'll see you next Wednesday.